In this video, we'll demonstrate how to get a circular webcam in OBS Studio. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to achieve a circular webcam effect, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Creating a circular face cam in OBS Studio can add a unique touch to your streams or recordings. Today, I'll guide you through the process on how to achieve this effect effortlessly. Let's start by creating the circular filter using Canva, a free and user-friendly design tool. Head over to canva.com, and if you haven't used Canva before, it's free to sign up. Once you're in, create a design using the 16:9 ratio for a presentation. Change the background color to black. Then add a white circle from the Elements section. Adjust its size and position it in the center. Save this as a PNG file and remember where you save it on your computer. Now switch to OBS Studio. Create a new scene by clicking the plus sign under Scenes, name it Circle Filter, and hit OK. Add your webcam as a source by clicking the plus sign under Sources, then select Video Capture Device. Choose your camera and it will appear on the scene. To apply the circular filter, right-click on the scene. Go to Filters, click the plus sign, and add the Image Mask Blend filter. Browse for the PNG file you created in Canva and apply it. Adjust the size and position of your webcam within the circle to your liking. Lock it in place by clicking the lock icon. Now, you've successfully created a circular face cam. If you want to use this circular effect on another scene, simply add the circle filter scene as a source to that scene. If you found this tutorial helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. For more tutorials and content, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care.